guys, it's Samantha from Talk Dog Tips, and I am here to review some dog treats and dog chew for you today. These are from a company called OzPure. It's OzPure. These are the chews, and then I have two forms of the treats. There are other down. There are other flavors as well, but I'll get to those in a second. So these are from OzPure, and they are, their parent company is called 26 Bars in a Band. I just wanted to make sure I got that right. So 26 Bars in a Band, and you can find them on 26barsinaband.com, and then there's obviously different links for their different brands, and this is the OzPure brand. So I have these puppy chews, and then I have the treats. I'm going to talk about the chews really quickly, and then we'll get to the treats. These are a puppy chew that are made with whey powder protein instead of down, your traditional beef or chicken or something like that. This particular kind that I have is a vanilla milkshake flavor. You can also get them in a strawberry milkshake flavor or a milk and honey flavor. So they use the whey protein. You get a bag of these. Now I've already tried them with my dogs, obviously. So they're usually 4 come in a bag. We only have 1 left, which I'm going to give to Sadie in a second. As you can see, she really enjoys these down. So these are made with whey protein and, the whey powder protein, and that is going to be a lot better for sensitive tummies like puppies normally have. They are coming off their mother's milk, so sometimes those, the typical proteins that we think about like beef and chicken can be harder for their stomachs to digest. So this is a good alternative. These are specially designed for puppies to clean their teeth and also to help relieve that chewing sensation that all puppies have. So it looks like this. They're pretty simple. You can see, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little indentation here. There's indentations on each side and then another indentation on the top, and that's what's cleaning your dog's teeth. I'm going to give that one, wait just a minute. So they're sort of flexible. I can bend it. They don't break. They're not easy to bend. I struggle to bend them, but they do bend, so they're a bit flexible, but they're not as chewy as like a jerky treat or something like that. They're a little bit more than that. What's right here? Now you want it, I only have one. That's what happens in our house when you run out of something and only have one left, then they fight over it, but the older dog wins in this case. And speaking of the older dog, again, these are formulated for puppies, which is nice. If you have a puppy, they work great with Sadie. She does look huge, but she's only 7 months old, so they worked great for her, and she enjoyed chewing on them instead of chewing on everything else that she chews. But these also, we have a 5-year-old boxer named Chloe. She's certainly not a senior dog by any means because she's only 5, but Chloe has poor dental health. She's a rescue. She doesn't have a lot of teeth, and the ones that she does are kind of ground down to like nubs, basically sticking out of her gums. So she likes to chew, which may be why her teeth are ground down like that. But it's hard for her to chew on something like a raw bone or a chew toy. That's harder. That's hard for her. She does really enjoy stuffed toys, and we have given her, we have found a couple other chew products that have worked well with her, but this one she loves. She likes the flavor. Now we've only again tried the vanilla milkshake, so I can't speak for the strawberry or the milk and honey, but as far as the texture goes, it's durable enough to give them that chewing sensation, but it's soft enough not to hurt their teeth and gums. That's a big issue we have with Chloe, so I can say that it is very soft on their teeth and gums. A lot of times if she chews something, any type of dog chew, or a raw bone or something like that, her gums bleed. And we don't see that with this, so I was really impressed with that. If you have an older dog that likes to chew but doesn't have the dental health to chew the harder toys and treats, this may be a good option, even though they are specially formulated for puppies. They do work well for dogs that need that chewing sensation but don't have the dental hygiene for it. So now I'll talk a little bit about the treats. These are called Farmyard Friends, and they are in the shape of different animals. So these are the roast beef flavor. I also have the lamb flavor over here, roast lamb. And the roast lamb is in the shape of a little sheep's head, and then the roast beef is in the shape of a little cow's head. So that's pretty cute. Our dogs love these. They have a very interesting texture. They're not hard, but they're not soft. I can break them into pieces if you need to break them for your dog. Excuse me. Oops. No, you already had yours. Our boxer is very picky. She doesn't like hard treats. That hurts her teeth and gums. So she doesn't eat any hard like biscuit treats. She loves these. So they're soft enough for her teeth and gums, which is interesting to me. I've been trying to think about words that I can use to describe the texture of these treats, and they're gonna beg for treats now. So sorry about that, but it's hard to describe. These treats are not soft like a normal jerky treat, but they're not hard like a biscuit treat either. They're somewhere in the middle. They do have a little bit of moisture. It's almost like a tough rubbery texture almost, but not, I know that sounds like a bad thing, but it's not. I know a lot of the treats that you see that have that tough rubbery texture, as you can tell, our cats like them too. A lot of the treats that have that tough rubbery texture are full of artificial ingredients, artificial colors, preservatives, that kind of stuff, and they're supposed to be a jerky treat, but they end up feeling more like a tough rubbery texture. So it's a bad thing in that instance, but in these, it's not. I'm not sure exactly how they get this texture, but it's very interesting, it's very unique, and our dogs really enjoy it. So if you're looking to change up the treats that you give your dog a little bit, this is definitely going to be a texture that he's not used to. These are, again, all natural, same as the puppy chews. I don't know if I mentioned that, but these are all natural flavors, natural coloring, natural preservatives, those kind of things. The treats, the Farmyard Friends treats, are infused with whole natural flaxseed. Now this is going to aid in a healthy skin and coat, healthy growth and normal nerve function. Flaxseed can be, it can prevent bowel issues and promote normal bowel function, so that's all great things from that. Now again, I have the roast beef and the roast lamb. They also come in barbecue chicken and a smoked bacon flavor. These are, I guess, he's gonna stand there and be part of the review. This is Oliver. Oh, he's leaving now. These products are all made in Australia. Again, OzPure is the name of the brand, and it's they've been wonderful in our house. Again, the puppy chews we used with our puppy, they also worked really well with our dog that had poor dental health, so that was a plus. And the treats, as you can tell, our girls like them, our cats like them too. They're a little hard for the cats, but we do have one cat, the orange cat that was up here, that will eat them. So if you have a multi-pet household, that's always something to think about. One more and then you're all done. So they're all natural. They've got a lot of added health benefits with the flaxseed. These are really a great choice. Again, if you're looking for a new treat or a different kind of treat, I know we don't feed our dogs the same treats all the time just because they like to mix it up for their sake. And these are a texture that they have never had before. So that was nice to give them a little something different. So if you're interested, again, the parent company is 26 Bars and a Band. So you need to go on 26barsandaband.com. You can find that link to their website in my written review below here. So check that out if you're interested. You can get a bag of the puppy chews. You're going to get 4 puppy chews, remember, in the bag, and those are $9.95. And then the treats are $11.95 each on their site. So if you guys have tried them, let us know. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, leave us a comment below here, or feel free to ask me on Facebook, Twitter, or Google+. You can follow Top Dog Tips on any of those social media sites, and I would be happy to answer any questions that you have about the OzPure puppy chews or the Farmyard Friends dog treats. So have a great week, guys, and I will see you soon.